Mutie Mr. Buadi, dodo ne friend Ghana ba. Achana kanokre na Ghana tie. Kanokre, emehunu fagen. Kanokre, emehunu fagen. Diam Jesu ya Mr. Buadi, dodo ne friend Ghana ba.
Yeah, me and Ghana for yeni komosima. Ene, I am on our teachers and their unions. Here, 2 years in ye implementing curriculum without textbooks. The teachers in classroom are quiet. The unions are satisfied. They don't care because they are occupying spaces to amass wealth. Unions need almost and say you better teach any their dues every month. But some of the dues in by year you papa. No more doing a chair for the welfare one day, la omon dream. But every month there also much dues. So we teach any no one your fault be now salary a mat. Now combine so here support who or year controller near restore wa. Bear 8 months. Now want me we now we are union some man wow no bet at arrears dues. Sunday so a year teaching field you know. The unions they are just operating like microfinance or rural bank. That is the teacher unions in this country. They are really good for nothing. The teacher unions in this country are really good for nothing. You want so far so dear beer. Teacher for pet any award NAT, NAGRAT, TEU, CCT, innovative teachers. They say pricing a tag biaba. They say bebre kwa. But over a year nurses and doctors are back. But minim what is wrong with teachers and their unions. Minimum free. There is something wrong with us. And that is we can't talk. Ubeko school no kosuya and near postil. Then you are there teaching about somebody's basic needs, but you can't fight for your basic needs as a teacher. Why? Teacher for more class me. You must be able to talk to your unions to stand tall in terms of fighting for your good conditions of service. What teachers know, teachers are very clever. Only are very good in terms of envy, in terms of backbiting, jealousy, and what have you. But in terms of fighting, they can't. And yeah, at the end of the year, 1 year, guess what you say, and you're in Temaka. But on one can't mean to nothing take a decision and man. It's a chair for more, they are psychologically molested in this country. So I hope for your man, they are not safe. And my friend, school goes and you be musia because already advice or implementing new curriculum. Our books, MI, teachers are quiet, their unions too are okay. And yes, ye pretend to say you're running education system, Papa Biama, I buy no. Well, it is the same to my way, say, near Green National Cathedral. One, the people say, are we thinking right? Or how do we think as a country? Ye train am of na tena sumu saa without textbooks no do form 3 ya yakokoto past questions man it is say be ade ne yentimi nwi hu say baby o man na do no we need to update ourselves we invest in the past but not in the future. Sabi mo me ndwi ye na I am on teachers mo ye nyachum papa teacher for ye nyachum papa a church for me nyachum no unions they are good for nothing. I am telling you, the teacher unions in this country are good for nothing because they can't fight for their basic needs in the country. And our members all my teacher for a classroom, they are just suffering. They can't talk. The teachers in this country have been tamed. They have been tamed not to talk. They have been tamed not to talk the truth. They have been tamed not to even fight for their basic needs. And on more class, no, they are just performing magic as if they are working. You know, so now, also, I'm going to fight among members and also, most of my idea because every month, Munji Musica befu. You say it now, my more, a bed way, and we almost an aposwana. teacher ni a ono wakɔbɔ ne degree papa bi hwɛ ɔmo ministries ni ada office Jubilee House we say nyina no teacher for no more classrooms no betimi awɔ hɔ ayɛ adwuma papa empo asɛm but just ɔmo de ɔmo choose say they want to serve, they want to teach. It mean who say be ɔmo agimi na me dem e blame them ɔmo ankasa because they can't decide for themselves. The teacher unions in this country munya more useful na mo members no ebre. Teachers in this country muso munya very serious na munya enviness no what team wa come there mo yard pa but in terms of fighting coming together to fight for something good for yourself in terms of basic needs the muntimi aden any education system no atete apansa mo wo ma we say mu and no one cares. Yeah, all the councils from Christian council up to the less council, they don't also care because of man can. Teacher unions, mo set it up, mo doson, and so mo soon so ewo man we see mo. Nancy ya no man penny be jina and a teacher for 20 million millionaires near bon sama man penny. Monty man your board and cast papa as my candy and the cranny can sit all can say because on the last person I say you lose hope a year bow. As so what can you say there now what you could be? It is true. Teacher need be anti me millionaire and I billionaire. My because of the way you treat them and respect to woman. But in kind opportunity say in kind honor ever catch on penny papa the all kind one can ye and the cream but as isn't how can I in crash be any. So the teacher unions in this country are good for nothing. I am saying it here from Mr. Bodi. I am the CEO of Educate Africa Institute. You don't also from Ghana, but I am here. Opesa ubusa me 0541935106. The teacher unions in this country are good for nothing. It means they are useless. We can't use them for anything good. The teacher unions, they are only there for themselves. They are amassing wealth. They don't think about their members. And the members also they know everything, but they can't fight for anything for themselves. You have to be serious nowadays. Thank you. I respond to the name Mr. Bodi William. You can call me Ghana first. Africa is born in me. Share the video.